In this video, I will show you how to add dashes to cnic number, removing dashes from cnic number, adding 0 with mobile number, custom format or masking on mobile number, custom format or masking on cnic, and matching two different sheets or workbooks. First of all, we will apply methods on cnic number. You can see there are two dashes between these numbers, and we will remove those dashes by a simple method. Simply press Ctrl on your keyboard, Control button plus H. You will see the Find and Replace dialog box. In Find What field, press dash and replace with field, leave it blank, and click on Replace All. You can see all the dashes are removed now. In next step, if we want to add dashes in this kind of data, we also call it custom format or masking. Simply press Ctrl button on your keyboard, and in numeric keyboard press 1. You will see this dialog box. From the list, go to the custom, and in type field remove that 0, and you can put any format you want to use. Just define the format there you want to use. Type a single 0 for each digit and click OK. You can see the values are now formatted according to your requirement. Now click on Format Painter. Now click on the next value and drag it till the last value. All the data is now formatted according to your requirement. The same method you can apply on phone numbers. If you want to write 0 with mobile number, you cannot do it by default. As you see, I'm not able to adding 0 with mobile number, but you can add the 0 by changing the cell data type. Click on cell and go to number group. Click on the drop down and select text from the list. Now try to enter the phone number with 0. Press enter, and now you can add 0 with mobile numbers. If you want to apply a custom formatting on your mobile number, you can do it by pressing Ctrl and 1 button from your keyboard. Go to custom, and in type field enter your required format. For example, +92, and add number of zeros matching to the length of your mobile number. Click OK, and you can see your required format is now applied. You can click Format Painter and apply the format on all range. Now the final and last thing in our list is matching two different sheets or workbook. Suppose we have two different workbook or sheets containing this data, and we need to match the data of both sheets. We can do this by the default function match, and for this purpose you can use another method called VLOOKUP. First of all, we will do this with the match function. Type is equal to and pre-built function match. In the hint you can see you need to enter the lookup value. Our lookup value is this field. Press comma. Now select lookup array. This is our lookup array. We will find this cell in this lookup array. Now press F4 from your keyboard and lock the range. Press comma, and now for exact match you can use 0. Press enter. Now click this cell and drag this till the last value. Now you can see the match function is reflecting the values that are found in this lookup array. Our first value is 2. We are finding this cell in this lookup array. This means the 2 is found on the second number in our lookup array. And for the values which are not found in the list, we are getting NAs, which means not available. In the case of 11, the value which is reflected is 12, which means the 11 is found in the list as at 12th number. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. If you want true and false in response, just add is number and press enter. Click and drag it till the last value. Now you can see the values that are matching are true and the values that are not matching are false. You can do the same thing by using VLOOKUP function. First we need to provide lookup value. Click on the cell and press comma. Now select the table array, press F4 and lock the range. Press comma. In the case of VLOOKUP, you need to provide column index number. Because VLOOKUP always treat the values as table, just enter 1, press comma, and for exact match, press 0 and hit enter. You are getting the same response. Now click and drag it to the last value. You can also reflect true and false in VLOOKUP function, but it will be the reverse logic. That means in the case of true you will get false and in the case of false you will get true. Simply add is error and hit enter. Drag this field till the last value and you can see in case of true you are reflecting false and in case of false this is true.